So guys, I have a quick little video for you. As you can tell by my voice right now, I don't sound normally the way I do, and that is probably because I picked up either a cold or something else and it made my nose stuff. Luckily I have no fever or nothing else, so I can still train and everything else, but when your nose is stuffed, you feel congested, it makes it difficult to focus, so there is kind of that negative side to it. And right now, especially this year, is a big epidemic, like a flu or some kind of cold going on, and people are getting sick left and right. So probably you know someone else. So the best tips are, try to get some fresh air. If you see someone that's coughing, obviously wear a mask so I'm covered there. But maybe let me show you what I mean real quick. If you are going out or around like school or work, maybe get one of these. So essentially a mask like that. You see, so that'll be a wise idea. Make sure you wash your hands, you wipe any doors, simple as that. But more so than that, I have a weird tip I just came up with, experimenting on that idea. And that idea is basically you're gonna get cayenne pepper. Yes, I know it looks weird, but hear me out. What I always noticed is back then when I used to get a stuffed nose or a cold, one thing I would do is eat a lot of spicy food. And what it does is it clears out my sinuses, because it starts warming up and the mucus, it gets cold and you can just and then get it all out of you. And that got me thinking, well, I have cayenne pepper, why don't I try something out here? And what I noticed is this really helps me clear out my nose. Now what you're gonna do is, step one, you're gonna get one of these little jars of cayenne pepper, and next all you're gonna do is you're gonna close one nostril and take a small sniff like that, and then get the other one like such, and then close it. No more than that, because if you sniff more, like exaggerated, you're gonna get a big kick of cayenne pepper up your nose and it's gonna start stinging. A little sniff like that, that's all you need, no more. So take caution. This is kind of a little weird, maybe a bit extreme type of a life hack, you can say, or a tip, but essentially it works. I do this once or here, and you can see my voice is starting to clear up already. And you just get a napkin, sneeze it all out, and you're good to go. Now of course you repeat. The worst time I say is when you're sleeping and your nose is stuffed, you can't sleep. This is a really good way to do that, or clear out your nose. Take a little sniff, drink some water, boom, that's it. Works better than a lot of other things. You need to do it again through the night, take it again, but like I said, don't exaggerate it. One little sniff, that's all you need. So, little warning, discretion, try to set your own risk. As long as you take a little sniff, or if you're really desperate, this does work, but don't exaggerate it. I don't want this to turn into a new trend that's going on nowadays with all the stupid stuff, where people start sniffing cayenne pepper and come back to me. So as I'm saying it, try it on your own discretion. It does work, but don't be stupid, guys. Use common sense. Alright, well, that's my 2 cents and on cayenne pepper as a tool for clearing your nose. Well guys, I hope that really helps you out. So stay safe, watch yourself, take extra care, don't do stupid stuff, and have a wonderful weekend. Alright, take care.